Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
करण ओबरॉय को रेप और मनी एक्सटॉर्शन के झूठे केस में फंसाने के लिए उस लेडी को जो विक्टिम बन रही थी कर लिया है पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार 17 जून 2019 को। इस लेडी को अरेस्ट किया है झूठा केस फाइल करने के लिए एज उन्होंने खुद पे प्लान्ड अटैक करवाया था मई 25 को, जब वो सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक पे गई थी। एंड एज प्लान 2 यंग बाइकर्स आए और उन्हें पेपर कटर से खरोचे मारी और उन पे एसिड फेंकने की धमकी दी। फिर ऊपर से एक चिट भी उन्हें दी, ये लिखकर टेक बैक द केस। और बस 2 ही दिन बाद पुलिस ने सीसीटीवी फुटेज की मदद से पकड़ा 4 यंग लड़कों को और उन्हीं में से एक था लॉयर का कजन, जिसने सारी सच्चाई पुलिस को बता दी। और उसी लॉयर ने उन लड़कों को उस लेडी से मिलवाया था और अटैक करने के लिए मिले थे उन्हें 10,000 रुपए। वो चारों लड़के तो पकड़े गए मई 27 को और उसकी 3 दिन बाद ही लॉयर को अरेस्ट कर लिया था, जिन्होंने बताया कि उन्होंने ही उन लड़कों को उस लेडी को मिलवाया। मगर उस लेडी का अपने अरेस्ट से पहले ये कहना है कि ये सारे आरोप गलत है और उनके एक्स लॉयर ने उन्हें फंसाने की कोशिश की है। और अगर आपको इस केस के बारे में नहीं पता हो तो आपको बता दे कि करण को रेप और मनी एक्सटॉर्शन के इल्जाम में उन्हें गिरफ्तार करवाया था। इतना ही नहीं, करण तो अपनी कार्यवाही के समय कोर्ट में फूट फूट के रोने भी लगे थे। और ये सब शुरू हुआ था 1 साल पहले, जब उस लेडी ने करण के खिलाफ एनसी लॉन्च की थी। और आप भी देखिए क्या रीजन दिया था एनसी लॉन्च करने के पीछे। Karan and I got in touch on a dating app. Initially, he asked me to share basic pictures, followed by nudes, with him guiding me on how they should be taken. We met in October 2016 and got intimate for the first time. We met again 4 days later, and when I told him that I am into healing, he requested me to help him in his career. I started helping him, and that's how I began spending money on him. I replaced his fake gemstones with expensive ones, which cost me around rupees 90,000. He said that he would pay me later, but never did. In May 2017, he told me that his house had been mortgaged and he didn't want to lose it. I gave him over a lakh for several months to help him save his house. I would give him money otherwise too for his expenses. Just doing up his house cost me around rupees 4 lakh. And I also bought him a karaoke console, refrigerator, laptop and a mobile phone. He would ask me to get expensive things for him whenever I traveled abroad for my work. The demands were covered. He would tell me that he has been planning to buy a particular item since long but hasn't been able to because of money constraints, knowing that I would buy it for him. We were like a couple. However, he never committed and told me that he didn't want to be in that space as he had been cheated on in his previous relationships. He would often fight over it, but I would keep returning to him after swearing to end the relationship. I felt bad for pressurizing him to commit to me while he was going through the stress of losing his house and facing a financial crunch. He also said that had he been better off financially, he would never have let me go. Besides the fact that he never committed to me, the last nail in the coffin was when someone close to him told me that he was just using me. That's when I asked Karan to return everything I gave him, but he flatly refused. Right now, my biggest concern are the suggestive pictures and videos that we exchanged. In fact, he wanted to shoot us while having sex, but I declined. I am not sure whether he has deleted them or not, though he tells me he has. But for my sanity, I need to be certain that the pictures have been deleted. और दूसरी तरफ करण ने भी उस बात पे अपना पक्ष रखा था। I may have flirted with her initially, but then I am a single guy. There was absolutely no relationship, intimacy or sex between us. I have blocked her from everywhere as I figured her out almost immediately. She said that her father used to hit her and that no man has ever loved her. I just lent her a sympathetic ear because of what she had claimed to have been through. She told me that she is into occult and wanted to come out of it and pursue an alternative profession. She then suggested that she could do up my house and I decided to help her by allowing her to do that. That was the biggest mistake of my life. I have 2 houses in Mumbai and neither of them has been mortgaged. I gave her cash to buy items for my home as she offered me a better deal. Every piece of furniture and other things that she is claiming to have bought for me, including my clothes, have been paid for by me. After getting fed up of her intrusion around 6 months ago, I gave standing instructions to the guard of my building that this woman should not be allowed to come up to my flat. She cut her wrist once and threatened me that she would have me booked for abetment of suicide. I figured out that something was amiss, and that's when I decided to distance myself from her. While she is claiming to be in a relationship even now, I distanced myself in August 2016. If you think just because I send you hugs and love, you are in a relationship with me, you must be really twisted, because then I would be in a relationship with 50,000 women. I have never robbed a woman of her dignity. but this is not normal. I am the victim here. I have lived a nightmare for these 2 years. The only reason I would answer her calls once in a while was to protect my family, as I feared that she could harm them with black magic. My worry was my mother and my health woes, as she claimed that she had the power to do anything. I have been through hell just because I declined her request of getting into relationship with her or have any kind of intimacy with her. She filed an NC against me after she learnt about my complaint. In fact, on the day of filing the NC, she called me and said that she was at the cop station and told me that she would ruin my life if I didn't marry her the next day. I have blocked several numbers from which she called me. If you're willing to stoop to any level to get your way, where does it end? खैर, आप सभी का क्या ख्याल है लेडी के अरेस्ट होने पे? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूले और टेली वर्ल्ड की खबरों के लिए बने रहिए टेली मसाला के साथ।